Hi friends, this is Anam Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks Offers, and this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using LRP theory. So before we get into that analysis, read my disclaimer carefully, each and every line what I have written, understand that. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty. So uh, yesterday I informed that it may be a three-way structures, and then again it can be shoot for that either this is the fourth way end, and we are expecting the five-way structures to reach the 18,200 to 18,500 range. But as of now, in the 15 minutes, it's doing only three-way structures. So there is a one structure has got completed. It's a one impulsive wave A. So this is the B. So I think this is the C, or it could be what I had expected yesterday. 1 2 3, so 4 could be an irregular flat formations, and then again for the 5, after that the three-way structures, but it did it only the three-way structures so far. But every time we are just come to a conclusion, it's making a three-way structures, and then the three-way structures converted into a impulsive wave, how we have projected here. That same thing what I'm expecting, it is doing the same here. So today is the FOMC meetings in US. So around Indian time is 11:30. So it depends upon that FOMC meeting and that rate decisions. The market can move. That is why it is also waiting for that DXY, also the dollar index, also waiting for that news. So what I'm expecting here is the same thing. Just I will finish it simply. So it's all doing like a three-way structure. So one more way to the downside like this, and it can bounce. Otherwise, it could be a little bit because of that fund rate decisions of the US FOMC meeting minutes. It can be shoot from here itself if anything goes wrong against the dollar, or it could be anything. I'm not correlating that, but the news will move the market. So either it could be a spike from here, or it could be a low and then it can be bounce. So if it did like this, and if it breaks the this low, and it is not breaking this low, so there will be a lot of consolidations going on around here. So what we expected, it could be a triangle. So otherwise, if it is a irregular flat formation, also it can break the high, and then again it can come to the downside for that fourth way to complete if it is still ahead in the fourth way. Otherwise, if it is converted into that impulsive wave, means later onwards this could be a bigger one, this could be a bigger two, and this could be a again the smaller one, smaller two, like that it can convert it into the five-way structure also. So far it is creating, it's looking like that wedge formation here. So what kind of the wave formation it can do like this also. So anything what I'm expecting tomorrow is one more low is also possible. Low means the spike, it can break this also. Otherwise, if it didn't break that, and it can be like this kind of wave formation also. So later onwards it could be like a three-way structures, what it did here, that same kind of pattern can do here, and then again bounce back. My bias is only for that upside. Whether what we have to do is watch the wave formation for either the wave 4 is still ahead in the various formation what I explained yesterday in the triangle or irregular flat formation, or this is the end of the fourth wave and we are in that fifth wave also. So this could be a 1 2 3, and there fifth way could be an ending diagonal like kind of formation after the three-way structures. This could be a 1 2, and the third way will shoot, and for that 18,200, and it will make a five-way structure in that fifth way also, like here how it did 1 2 3 4 5, like that I'm expecting here also. So this is my simple view of Nifty. So sorry, SGX Nifty. So we will look on that Nifty also. So this is an impulsive wave here also. So far it did only the three-way structure. It's looking like only A, B, C, or it could be, if it is a five-way structure, it, see, we can calculate it anytime. It could be a three-way structure also, it could be a five-way structure. But for me, it looks like 5-way structure. So now it's a. So here is a. So here it's looking like A, B, C. So and again one more high is also possible, and it could break the high, and later onwards it may fell like this, or either it could break this as an expanded flat, or if it didn't break this low, so either this could be an running flat in the wave 1, wave 2, and this is a continuation of the fifth wave also. Otherwise it will again decline from this high. It can break this high also for irregular flat formation if it is a wave 4 is still ahead. Otherwise, if it is a running triangle also, it can break the high. But if it didn't break the high, and immediately if it is getting rejections within the 3-way structures, so that we can come to your conclusions like a triangle formation is happening. So this is my view for this week also, maybe. So let's wait for this pattern to complete, and we will see you tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this analysis. And zeal also, today is also around the 30% movement. So I booked that off positions in my zeal, what I bought at 170 and 180. So I booked everything in 360. Sorry, the May high is 358. I booked at 340, not 360. So remaining I am holding. So let's wait for that also. So here, this is my conclusions for the Nifty for the pre-market predictions. So let's see you tomorrow the same time. Have a nice day.